That's DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
I'm an addict for snitches.
What's good? Welcome to a brand new episode. We got Pequeño Juan back to back, 2 videos in a row with my guy Pequeño Juan in the building. Old man Juan, you guys requested, I got you. Make sure to bang that thumbs up button for PJ, the Boston Terrier in the building. I did a video yesterday. We did an unboxing on Thread Beast. Is it worth it? Find out and watch that video. I wanted to do a video on these shoes that I got from Footlocker. Shout out to Footlocker. I got these right here in the mail, and they are a pair of Lyte in this maroon burgundy colorway. It's pretty nice, man. You've got a really nice leather. The way it looks, it's really nice on the leather. Real nice. And the suede, forget about it. Beautiful suede. Great materials, premium laces. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with these right here. Really nice. So look at the back. I love the leather on them. But that suede, the suede, nicey nice. And these are under $100 they retail for, guys. Gorgeous. Look at that leather. It's that brown burgundy. So there's a look at the shoes. Shout out to Footlocker. Thank you for sending these my way. I will link where you can find these in the description box below. Now let's get to the next part of this video. I heard about these guys over at That Wrestling Club, and they have a subscription box that you could order, and it's sold out. I mean, it's literally sold out because of the fact they started, I think, they started doing autographed pops, and this is like a new thing that people are just so crazy about, is like getting the pops autographed. I've been collecting pops for a little bit, man. It's been a few years, and I never thought to get them autographed, but I would love to, but I don't want to spend crazy money to get a pop autographed. If I could get hooked up with it, that's fine. This box cost me, I think, shipped like $40-something. I'm pretty sure the first autographed pop that they had in their packages was Braun Strowman. If I knew about that, I definitely would have ordered the box because I love Braun Strowman. Huge fan of him. A huge Hardy Boys fan. Like, I love the Hardy Boys. So, you know, I watch because they're on it again. But like Braun Strowman, Kevin Owens, there's a few that I like. I mean, there's some good talent. Even like Elias. I like Elias. New Day, the Usos are great too. I mean, actually, you know, the roster's not bad. It's more or less, I think, the writing, they need to step that up. But getting back to it, they had Braun Strowman in one of their boxes like 2 months ago. They had Razor Ramon last month. I found out last month about them, and I talked to my dude Franchise, shout out to Clint, and he was telling me, dude, man, I just got the freaking Razor Ramon autographed. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I have the Chase, I have the common version, but to get it autographed would be great. And I was like, damn, man, you're lucky. And then right after that, I was like, I have to become a member of this because I want to see what's gonna happen next month. So let's see what's in this box right here. Alright, so autograph pop. We got an autograph pop. We'll get to that last. We got a t-shirt. Is this Gold Dust? Yes, it is. I always wanted a Gold Dust t-shirt, so I'm happy about that. Gold Dust. And I am wearing the Rise Above Cancer tee in honor of my wife who has cancer, and PJ who's running around the yard right now who has cancer too. You know, cancer's fuck cancer. You know, let's just get right to it. But this tee right here, I love it. Gold Dust, definitely a great tee. So the tee is a W. Great quality too, not a crappy tee, because sometimes, you know, with these boxes, they give you like the shittest tee. So this is a nice quality t-shirt right here, and I can't wait to wear this. And it comes with a DVD, Ring of Honor DVD. I may give this away, actually. Leave a comment if you want this, and I'll randomly pick someone. I'm not gonna announce it on another video. It's just like, I'm not gonna watch this because like I usually just go and YouTube what I want to watch, you know, or stream it somehow. So I will give this away. If anyone's into it, just leave that in the comment box and I'll hook you up. And I'll pick someone randomly. And as I said, I'll just hit one of you guys up. Now, I opened this totally wrong. I suggest if the company ever watches this, put the list on the top of the box so we know the content. It says right here, heavyweight box for July 2018. By the way, it's July 20th. Today is my birthday. So, happy birthday to Delz. Yes, it's my birthday. So, we got the autograph. It says the exclusive Shattered Dreams t-shirt and a WWE comic book with the cruiserweight box only with the Ring of Honor DVD. There's all different type of actual boxes, but I would have liked to have that comic book. I love comic books. It does have a B team pin. The B team are the champions. I like it, man. I like those guys. Some people are like, ah, it's too fast. Why did they do it so fast? People that are fans of wrestling are always complaining. I mean, they just can't ever do it right. Ah, why don't they give him a push? Why don't they give this one a push? Give that one a push. They finally give these two guys a push, and people are bitching and moaning. I can't call it. Wrestling fans can never be happy. I'm happy they won the title. I think it's cool. And you know, Matt Hardy and Bray, they put them over. It's good, man. But I like this right here. Now, the grand finale. We've got Alexa Bliss autographed Funko Pop right here. Benny, come here, boy. Nino, come here, boy. Come on, boy. Up. Come here, boy. We got Benny in the building. Benny Blanco. Benny Blanco from the Bronx. Pretty awesome. Autographed by Alexa Bliss. My first Funko Pop I ever had autographed. And I have tons of wrestling memorabilia signed, but never a Funko Pop. I honestly would have went crazy if, you know, I opened up the box and got a Braun Strowman or a Razor Ramon autographed Funko Pop. Like if I was part of this club earlier. This is cool, you know, but I'm not a big fan of her. I mean, I'm not a fan of her, but you know, I can't imagine getting like Braun Strowman autographed or Razor Ramon autographed, but super cool, man. This is a lot of fun. I think it's worth it. I think for the autographed pop, the t-shirt you figure it'd be like about $20. And Gold Dust is so legendary. I love Gold Dust. The pin is awesome. The DVD I could have done without it, you know, if it would have lowered the price. I don't sell the pops, so the pop is not. I noticed too, the box did get a little damaged because it was open. The flap was open, so hopefully, you know, I'm the only one that happened to, and not other people. Like the box flap was open because its box is kind of damaged up top over there. But besides that, it's no big deal. It's not terrible, but you know, we like our boxes to be in pristine condition. Now, moving on. Being that it's my birthday, I got a couple of Funko Pops as gifts. One right here I got is Red Hood, and we're gonna go inside because it's hot as hell, and I'll show you the other ones that I got as gifts today, and then we'll recap of some of the other SDCC Comic-Con exclusives that I did get. I did get a really awesome Deadpool Funko Pop too that I've been wanting. Let's go inside. All right, so we're inside. It's hot as hell outside. We got Red Hood DC. I don't have too many DC Funko Pops. I do have over here, I have the Joker, I have the Riddler down there, I do have Batman, of course. There's my Batman up top. I did have Superman. I gave it to my daughter because she loves Superman. So another DC Pop to the collection. Love this one. Also got Wreck-It Ralph. Looks great in the 8-bit form. Love it. And I finally got these two. I didn't think I was gonna get them, but what do you know? My girl came through with these two today, and I was like, whoa. We were going out to dinner. She just broke them out, surprised me. I was pretty happy. Definitely pretty hype. Hype beast in full effect. Happy to have these two. These were two that I really wanted with all the releases. I did get the Young Bucks from my daughters for my birthday, and I got the Wizard Deadpool, which is an awesome pop, which will go great with the rest of my Deadpool pops. I just feel like Deadpool is just that character that's just so funny, and it just fits with all these different characters right here, these different versions of Deadpool. A lot of fun. So happy to have Wizard Deadpool for the collection, and this was Barnes & Noble's exclusive. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, definitely check it out. I show a ton of pops. These are some of the ones that I got yesterday. It's a really good vlog, so make sure to watch it. Also got this right here with Billy and Karen. Classic. Love this damn show. I can't wait for season 3. And we got a lot more, so definitely check out yesterday's vlog after this one right here for sure. And let me know what was your favorite drop for San Diego Comic-Con. I'd love to know. Leave that all in the comment box below. I am still, by the way, looking for Dustin. I cannot find the Dustin. I am really looking for that damn pop. So if anyone can help me out, hit me up over at Instagram.com/Delz Toy Show. Delz, D-E-L-Z, Toy Show. Or Real DJ Delz on Instagram. Probably put him right next to Yondu over there. Yondu! Mary Poppins! And there we go. I showed you some shoes, some Funko Pop. Let me know what you thought of everything I showed you today. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't seen my Thread Beast review, check that out. It's a pretty funny video too. There's some funny parts in it that I think you'll really enjoy. Plus, check out my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. Check out the Patreon. I do an hour podcast every single week, and it's Q&A. This week we'll talk about the new releases, some of the upcoming releases with sneakers. We're going to talk about WWE, how I feel about Hulk Hogan being reinstated with the WWE after some of the things he said that was pretty racist. It is a little controversial, and it definitely is uncensored. I gotta kind of censor myself on YouTube or they don't monetize my damn videos, and that sucks. They usually don't anyway. I'm sure there was no freaking ad that played while you're watching this. So it is what it is. I got my Patreon. I'm going to be putting content there, bonus content for the lifers, for the diehard supporters. And thank you to all the supporters out there, especially all the birthday wishes. And shout out to this dude, Michael, that hit me up, man, today. Really blew my mind on my birthday. He wanted to show some love and support. And I mean, I just am taken back by it. I was telling my family about it earlier, and I was like, man, it's crazy. You know, all over the world, people got love for your boy Delz. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for tuning in.